Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the orange line and then the green line here is coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be done as the drift to the downwards direction still continues. So bears remain in full control of this one right now. And really the best way to illustrate and easiest way to illustrate how the bears are in full control, just going to get rid of that line there, no longer pertains, is via this trend line here that I've talked about for the past several days. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this extended out because, like I said, as long as the price remains below that trend line there, then that is representing the fact that, it's not a matter of the price making nice moves, because the price has made some nice upwards movements. The problem becomes each of those, upwards movements just keeps putting in lower and lower highs, hence the downtrend. And, that's what the bears are all about. So as long as the price remains in the downtrend, again, remaining in the downtrend, being defined and quantified as staying below that orange line, then, you got to be very skeptical of any sort of upwards movements. So keep a close eye on that level going forward. Assuming you've watched past videos, then that's not really any sort of update. That's more of kind of a confirmation, would be an accurate term, that trend line is indeed the key technical level. As far as levels of support are now concerned, newest level down here at $1.07, and the one note there is whenever levels of support need to be adjusted lower, like I just had to do right there, not necessarily a good sign at all. Does that mean that this thing is for sure now guaranteed to drop below $1? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that, preferably speaking, it's always better when levels of support need to be adjusted higher, but not lower like they were in this case. So case in point, right now, $1.07, one of the newest areas of support and the level that you preferably want to see hold. But like I said, any sort of upwards movements, be very skeptical of anything until the price can first prove itself by getting above that trend line. So we'll see if the bulls can get that job done or not. Still 3 days left this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.